Okay, today what we're going to do is we're going to make a sequence aura. And what this will do is it'll allow your auras to be more interactive. So this is done in the studio account on Aurasma. If you have not created a studio account yet, then make sure you see the other tutorial to see how to do that. So I'm going to go to my auras here, the A. I'm going to create a new aura, so I just click the add button. And I always go to aura details first. So I'll name this sequence aura demo. And then I pick the trigger image that I want. It's easier sometimes to type them than to scroll down through. Now we don't have many channels, so that'll be easy. We're going to add our two guys logo as our trigger image, and then the two guys into my pad's channel. So then I can close that out. And then the overlays, this is where I'll add the overlays. And first what I'm going to do is I'm going to add what are called the buttons. And for our buttons, what I did is I just took the logos. So this one is the Aurasma logo. So we'll shrink that down to the size we want it. And then I'm going to add the 3-ring logo on top of that one. And we'll shrink that down to where it's the same size, and we'll just move it right over here. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the video overlays on top of that. So we'll go ahead and add the 3 doesn't want to cooperate real easily. There we go, 3-ring sign up video. And I'm going to also add, after that, I'm going to add the how to make an Aurasma Studio account video. So we'll go with making Aurasma Studio video. Okay, so what you want is you want your buttons, or in this case the logos, to be at the top. So we'll just use the arrows to go ahead and move those forward. Alright, I need to resize my Aurasma video so it's a little bit smaller. Make those about the same size. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to give actions to these videos. So the videos I do not want to display initially. So what I need to do is I have that highlighted. I'm going to go down here and click initially hidden and unclick fade in because we don't want it to fade in. Okay, and I don't really need it to do anything, but we'll leave it to where if someone wants to see it full screen they can double tap it. I'm going to do the same thing for the other video. Initially hidden, unclick fade in. And then for the trigger image or the button here, the 3-ring logo, we're going to add the action. And we do want that one to fade in initially, so keep that checked. And when it is tapped, we don't want it to load a URL, but we want it to start an overlay. So we're going to click start an overlay. And then we click the overlay or the video that you want to start when that one is tapped. So we want it to start the 3-ring video, which would be overlay number 4. Then we click down here for the Aurasma Studio. So this is the Aurasma logo. So when that is tapped, we want it to start overlay number 3, which is the video for this. Now there's many different things that you can do with this. So where it's tapped, they can make it do many different features. And for education, obviously, you can do this to where your pictures are interactive. So if, like quizzes almost, or just interactive experiences. So if they touch an answer, A, B, or C, then it leads them kind of like on a scavenger hunt. Would be a cool way to do this. So after I've done this, I can go ahead and click save. And now, let's see how it worked. Okay, so here we go. We're going to see if it works. Put over the trigger image, and there we go. We have our 3-ring logo and our Aurasma logo. So then if I go ahead and I touch the 3-ring logo,
Okay, we're going to focus
the video
on
goes ahead and starts.
account.
I can touch it again to stop. Now if I touch the Aurasma logo, there's that tutorial. Again, if I touch the video, then it'll go ahead and stop and go away. So that is how you create a sequence aura for more interactive and fun augmented reality in your classroom.